Hello, this is the weekly weather briefing for the Arkansas region for November 19th, 2018. The highlights of what we'll be looking at through the next 7 days or so. Cold front is coming through today and tonight. That will be Monday and Monday night with mainly light rain amounts. This cold front will introduce below normal temperatures through at least the middle of this week, with maybe a little bit of light rain with very light amounts south of I-20 Wednesday night. We're kind of focusing on the potential of locally heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms Friday and Friday nights, and again early next week. We'll have to keep a close eye on these systems, but at this time no major hazardous weather threats are anticipated with these systems. So from the Weather Prediction Center, these are the expected rainfall amounts through early next week, showing around an inch widespread across the area. One thing we want to point out is we are confident at least isolated locations will receive more rainfall than what is depicted here. And with the nature of the systems coming through late this week and early next week, there's some potential for the widespread rainfall amounts to trend upwards, and that's something we're going to watch closely. So through tonight, the rainfall associated with the front coming through is going to be light, with amounts generally under 1/4 of an inch. So for Friday and Friday night, as mentioned earlier, these rainfall amounts depicted that are mostly under an inch could trend upwards, and probably at least in isolated locations will be more than this. And the rainfall for early next week, there's definitely potential the rainfall amounts could trend upwards with this, and but there's some uncertainty regarding the system early next week just because we're kind of far out in the forecast period. So here's a cold front coming through today. That'll go southeast of the area tonight and bring generally clear conditions for Tuesday and Tuesday night, with a little bit of clouds coming back in late Wednesday and Thursday. So for Friday and Friday night, the big system kind of organizes out in the plains and sweeps through our area relatively quickly. We do expect some embedded thunderstorms, but most of the instability will be low and mainly confined to the coast, but we'll have to keep a close eye on this for any severe weather concerns. The same goes for early next week, most likely the kind of Sunday to Monday time frame. We are expecting some embedded thunderstorms, but instability should generally be low, and but we'll have to keep a close eye on that because there will be a lot of energy with both of these systems. So the 7-day forecast for Jackson shows temperatures below normal through Thursday. We need to mention there could be a light freeze north of I-20 on Tuesday night, and with that light precipitation potential in southern zones Wednesday night, we're not expecting any winter weather threat. So the drought situation is looking good with all the recent rainfall. There's no drought status at all across the lower Mississippi Valley, and the hurricane season will come to a close at the end of this month, but there's no concerns in the Atlantic Basin over the next 5 days, and we really don't anticipate any concern in the Gulf through the remainder of the tropical season. So thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefing, and we'll update this on Thursday if we need to.